everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a new $2 Tuesday video for you. This week, as you can see, the theme is ocean, and I know this is way past overdue. We totally meant to release this collection back in June. We were supposed to have these designs done in May, but both Lucy and I ended up getting COVID one after the other. I got it in April, she got it in May, so we're totally off schedule those few weeks. That is why these $2 Tuesday releases are a lot later than we usually would have done them. If you're new to this channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. We post a lot of sticker shop content, a lot of behind the scenes, tips, things like that, also our new releases. And make sure to hit that bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. So let's just go ahead and get started with this collection. So I have it here. I'm going to be doing the swatches in the dark blue glitter foil. You can really see the glitter here, but we also have it available in 4 other foil colors. So I don't have gold and silver here with me, but those are available. And then the other 2 fun foils we're going to be offering is this really beautiful hollow, as well as this aqua glitter. Here's a comparison of the dark blue with the aqua. So let's just go ahead and get started with the full boxes. This is the only full box sheet that we have. It's called Under the Sea, and it just has seashells and starfish along the borders. Moving on to the smaller sheets, I'm going to be doing the swatches while I share with you each sheet. So let's start with Great Wave. So this one was actually one of our best sellers from last year's summer collection. I think I'll just place it here. It does go all the way across like that. Next we have some palm trees. So here's some of the palm trees. You get a whole bunch, so should last you the whole summer. Then we have some really cute bubble date dots. These are super fun and cute. Next we have Ocean Floor, and this is actually one of the designs. We have a few different designs that we are actually going to be selling for just $1 rather than our usual $2, and I think this is the only one for this collection. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell that these are all individual shells. Kind of just looks like one giant blob of foil, so these will be just $1. Next we have these really pretty Great Wave circles. These would be absolutely gorgeous, layered with a circular sticker. And I don't know if you can see, but there is like a little mountain and a sun in the background. Super cute. Next, we have some turtle geckos. These are so adorable. I like how there's also different size turtles on here, so you get a variety. Next we have some mini shell deco as well as some regular seashell deco, so you can see the size difference. These are a lot bigger than the mini ones. The mini shell deco comes with 6 different types of shells. These are so cute and tiny. I love these little mini decos just scattered around your planner. These are perfect for adding just a little bit of foil. or just filling up white space, you know. I love how cute this little sand dollar is. So those are the mini shell deco. Next we have these mermaid tails. I call these mermaid tails, but I think these are actually whale tails. But this one definitely looks like a mermaid tail with all the scales. Okay, next we have these really cute shell confetti deco. Let me zoom you guys in so you can really see the detail on these. But they are just little itty bitty teeny tiny seashell starfish sand dollars. Like, again, perfect for just adding a little bit of oil to your spread. So there is the little confetti deco. It honestly is so tiny, so really glad I have my tweezers. Okay, next we have these Great Wave date dots. So it's literally just the Great Wave, but smaller. Obviously date dot sized. Okay, I just took a closer look at these and I realized all of the dates are actually not at all visible. So these will also be $1. I don't know. I must have just never finished editing these. As you can see, the 23 is like way lower and all the other ones are kind of being eaten by the wave. So these will also be $1. I need to let Lucy know so she can change the prices on these, but yeah, that's crazy. I totally did not notice that these are not finished. So these are gonna be $1. Next, we have a couple of different dividers. So here are the ocean dividers, and there are 3 different designs on this sheet. So let's put down one of each. These would be really cute layered at the bottom of like a functional box. There's that, and then next set of dividers we have these rope knot dividers. And I don't know why, but this font looks huge. I must have had a COVID brain fog when I was designing these because I feel like these are like half complete, but they're all ready to made, they're ready to ship, so everything is ready to go. I just finished UPS sales the other day, so we are getting back on track on having a faster processing time. This one, forgot to introduce it, is seashell dividers. Next we have, this is our last set of dividers. So these are the line wave dividers. You get 2 different types, a shorter wave and a taller wave, and these are super, super thin. So we have that. It also goes in the other direction, like so. Oh my god, that would be kind of cute if you use this to like make a little section and then you like put a script in here or something. Here's the shorter one. This one is not as long as the taller wave. Okay, then we have a couple of layered garlands. So this one is the layered garland, and then this one is just the regular one. It's called seashell garland. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I think I'll do a couple of them. So I don't know if you can see, but there is like a little sand dollar and a starfish hanging from them. and they are a little bit different, each of them. So there's layered garland, and then we have just the regular seashell garland. And these do go all the way across. Then we have these swimsuits, which are good for marking if you're like, I don't know, like a beach day, or if you're going swimming, or if you're just hanging out by the pool. Cute. And then next we have these seashell mandalas, which these layered with like a scalloped half box would be super cute. And then lastly, the final sheet that I have here is some bubble deco. So let's go ahead and put some down. So that is the entire collection minus the full boxes, which I think you guys get the gist of these. There is a total of 20 designs, I'm pretty sure. 21 if you also include these little date dots, which we have available in all of the foil colors. But yes, that is the whole collection. Let me know your thoughts on this ocean collection, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!